You will never feel completely confident, okay, or completely comfortable. Every time it's you're a little bit nervous, but as you have this comfort zone expanded to this after the training, you find out that you have to have that much comfort zone and power to make it happen. Well, you keep pushing, and then next thing you know, your comfort zone is so big, you come up and speak in front of 10 people, 20 people, 100 people, and you find out they're not looking at you, they're looking at what you're presenting. They're looking at what they can do with what you're saying. Good.
Are you also a little bit nervous every time you pitch?
Oh yeah, always. Actually, I remember in one event, I was talking about the property I had just purchased. I was in Florida and there was a big room, and one gentleman raised his hand. He said, "Were you nervous doing that last deal?" And I said, "Yes." And somebody said, "Well, so you were as nervous as the first deal?" No, a lot less nervous, but still nervous. And if you lose that little fear, you're gone crazy. You've gone crazy. Because you have to have that fear. It's actually healthy. I'll give you an example. If you walk down the street in a bad neighborhood, what's happening? You're alert. You're looking behind you. You're looking at the person over here. You're looking if the door made any noise over here. Somebody coming across. You're alert, and that actually protects you. You walk somewhere where you're very comfortable, you're tripping, somebody can come and steal your purse or your bag, because you're too relaxed and not. So you gotta have that balance between being slightly worried, slightly afraid, but not to a point where it paralyzes your thoughts or actions.